Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you mint masala mojito, which is very simple to prepare. All that I've done is I've added cumin seeds, salt, sugar, ginger and chilies along with asafoetida and ground it in a mixer jar. Next I'll be adding equal portions of mint and coriander. I'll be grinding it further. You just need to adjust the salt as per your preference. Now here I'll be adding lemon juice and I'll be adding the remaining mint and coriander leaves that I've reserved. I'll grind it into a smooth chutney. I'll also be adding some Panipuri masala. You can use some Jaljeera powder as well and grind it further. Here the chutney is ready. Now in a tall tumbler, I'll be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of this chutney. Along with this, I will be adding Sprite. Now people who want to make it fully healthy can use just plain soda, or you can also mix it with some water and drink it as a drink. Now here I've added some Sprite because I like the sweet, spicy and the tangy taste in this mojito. Do try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi.